Today we are going to do a fun kids activity. This is my daughter Tessa, and we are going to show you how to make slime. All you need is 3 ingredients: shaving cream, glue, and contact solution. Just make sure the contact solution has boric acid in it. So our ingredients are a half a cup of glue. I picked the purple glitter glue because Tessa and I like the color purple. Put it in there, Tessa.
Okay.
Whoop. Good job. Yes, you can hit the top of it. Okay. Okay, you want to get the shaving cream?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, so a cup and a half of shaving cream. Okay, help me put it in there. Use your spatula. There you go. Good job.
Do it, Mommy. Get it on the glitter.
Get it all on the glitter.
Is that shaving cream?
Shaving cream, yep. We don't eat shaving cream.
Yeah, we don't eat shaving cream. We don't wash that. Okay,
And then 2.5 tablespoons of contact solution.
yeah, what is that contact? On mine. I want some on mine.
Okay. Okay, pour it in there. Good job. Can you put it down?
But
All right, now we gotta stir it up. Here, use your spatula.
I got some, Mommy. I got some, Mommy.
It's okay. Just mix it up. The slime will start to pull away from the bowl as the more you mix it. You might have to add more contact solution because that's what helps it not be as sticky. So we're just
I got some,
gonna
Mommy again.
keep mixing it.
I got some, Mommy again.
It's a little messy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want.
Good. You're doing a good job though.
I please have some. I please have some.
Oh, yes. Here you go.
Is that sticky?
Mm-hmm. It's sticky.
I like cream. I like to.
Eventually, you're gonna have to pick it up and work with it, just like you do
Pick up.
dough.
What was that?
Mm-hmm. See how fluffy it is?
See?
You may have to add more of the contact solution, like I said, because that's what helps keep it not sticky.
And please place it.
Mm-hmm. Here you go.
In a minute.
Let me get off my fingers. Is it squishy?
Yes, push it. Ah, you made a hole in there. I don't like it. Whoa, whoa.
Look, it's